Right fellas, beer number 4 of 9. Tonight we've got Jimbo's Sleigh oil. Cracking job on a label there. Not really tight in the bottle, let's give it a crack. I know there's ginger in this one, that's all I do know about it, but very good reports. Not watched the other videos because I didn't want to be swayed, so nice hiss. Winter all over it, that. Let's give it a pour. Put a nice dark brown. So let's have some head on there. This is one kit challenge, no idea on the ABV. Looks just like a light stout. I've got a torch here actually. It's recommended by one of the viewers. Give it a go. See much through there. Say more of a. It's not as dark as it appears on camera, so it's like a very dark brown. Not seeing through it. Appearance is good. Let's go for a smell. It's winter. Get a hint of cinnamon and not a lot else, to be honest. Let's dive in. Ooh, nice taste of it. Cheers, and cheers Jimbo. Carbonation's right. Oh, loads of ginger on there, loads. Oh, loads of flavour, loads of ginger, but I'm not a massive fan of ginger, so it's not going to be troubling Tony's or Mark's, I don't think. Although it's a nice beer, but I'm not a big fan of ginger. Mouthfeel to light to medium. Oh, it's burning my throat now. Carbonation. It's a very, very nice drink, that. As I said, it's not to my style, but got to market now. This is yesterday's beer today. Today's beer will be in a bit, and tomorrow's beer maybe later on, but I'll post tomorrow. I'm not sure whose beer it is. Jimbo knows I'm not sure whose beer it is after that. So cheers. Trying to keep this short. Nice beer. Not all be Tony's or Mark's in my opinion, but it's very opinionated, this, since we've all got different opinions, and it's better than my beer, I know that's a fact. So Mark's out of 10. I'm going to give that 8.2. Cheers fellas, and cheers again Jimbo.